Kurumirira kwongerereka kwa macira megemaine no cenjia wa riera magoti-ini, riu thirikari nirikitie kuhingura magoti maria maretwithanagia macira macio niguo kurigiriria muhatikano wamo. AKENYA mambiriirie gutaukirwo ni maundu megie ucenjia wa riera muno makiria ihinda-ini riria bururi wa Kenya uranyitanire na mabururi ma Afrika kumurika na gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria macungagiririo ni ucenjia wa riera.
There is greater sensitization from the various non-state actors, the civil societies, the multilateral agencies that work with communities.
Kuringana na atongoria kiama-ini kia manjanji agutwithania macira maya gitaru-ini kia Afrika, macira macio ni megukorwo magitwithanio na ihenya uria kwahoteka niguo kihoto gikorwo gikioneka.
We have enough judges as we speak, and that's why even the court itself, as you saw recently, this particular year in July, our Chief Justice launched those particular divisions so that we have the Environment and Planning Division together with the Land Division.
Ucenjia wa riera ukoretwo gicungiriria bururi gucoka na thutha kiwonjoria, atongoria kiama-ini giki makihinyiriria thirikari guthie na mbere na kuhe muingi mathomo niguo makahota kung'ethanira na mathina maya riria moka.
This is the beginning of our initiative with Pajela to capacity build them and to create awareness so that they are able to understand about the climate change issues and in a way to influence their decisions when these cases are filed in court.
Atongoria ya matabanirie kigomano mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru magikinyiriria ni nginyagia muingi uthaitire maria maturigiciirie mategutindikiririo.
It affects employment, it affects buildings, it affects commercial interests. So that's why Pajela as an association has said if we stick to the form of judiciary demarcation, most judges may not be able to get this information. And so we are saying let people who are members of Pajela, irrespective of whether you are an environment and land court judge, to be trained.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.